There is verse in the Holy Quran. Yes. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَهَاجَرُوا وَجَاهَدُوا وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَهَاجَرُوا وَجَاهَدُوا وَالَّذِينَ أَطَاعُوا وَنَصَرُوا أُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ حَقًّا. Can we now interpret this verse as one of the prophecies of the Holy Quran concerning the advent of the Prophet Messiah, peace be on him?
No, not particularly that. It's a general statement, and this verse is misunderstood by many because they attach only one meaning to Hijra, which is a word of much wider application. Hijra is in fact a spiritual Hijra, a migration of a person from a worldly state to a spiritual state that is traveling towards Allah. This meaning of Hijra has been explained by Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa in a tradition which was chosen by Hazrat Imam Bukhari to be the first tradition and the first guideline for all the traditions he chose in the book Bukhari. Innamal a'malu bin-niyyat, which is a long tradition, and this thing follows the explanation of word Hijra. So the Hijra fundamentally means and essentially means any movement of force from worldly regions to godly regions. Now that Hijra, which is a physical expression of this Hijra, is also fundamentally controlled by this Hijra. If this Hijra is not behind it, working behind it, the motive force, then that Hijra is meaningless. So the dictates of Hijra from time to time may change. Whether a physical Hijra takes place or not, this is a constant affair in the Muslim life. This Hijra goes on taking place here and there in various individuals. And this is what Hijra means. So in this verse, particularly, this is the wider meaning in which this is this verse is used, and it should be understood as such.